Hello there, and my name is Oliver. For the meantime, I'm just creating a video just to teach you how to create game passes. Now, it is easy to create game passes in Polytoria. It's similar to how you create game passes in Roblox. So, just in case, the reason for creating game passes is for this example, you are in this place bricks. Yeah, please bricks. It's like the copycat version of the please donate. You wanted to donate bricks, and I'll be creating game passes for you. So how we can start for creating bricks? Well, the first thing that you need to do is you need to create the places. In Roblox, that's called experiences. So you need to create your place. You simply go to create, and then you go to your place. Mine, as you see, I have already created on my own, which is already public already. So in your case, you're going to create your own place. Now, creating the place, it requires you to open up Launch Creator so that you can open up how you can create the game. There's nothing fancy that you need to do. You just need to click the Launch Creator. It will open up a different window for you to create your own place. In this simplest tutorial, I just click on the base plate, then you have already your place. And then once you're done creating your place, you just click on file and then click on publish. Once you publish it, you name it, and then you're done. Now, to make sure that you're done, just do a couple of refreshes here. You just need to reload the page, and then it will show up your name on this list. And then when you show up your name on your place, you just click on manage. Name your place whatever it is that you wanted to name, and then make sure that this is completely up to you if you needed to add the icon or the genre, or you have to allow players to copy your place, but this is the most important part. Okay, make sure that the place that you're using is currently active, so that your players are going to join you with your place, and the game passes will work. So just in case, once that's done, you have game passes. Now, inside game passes, I already have here two existing game passes that is still on pending review, because the moderators of the Polytoria game is still reviewing my request to create a game pass. It is that simple. You need to upload an image. Unfortunately, you need to add an image just for the icon of your game pass. This is very important. You choose a file, and then you have to select an image. Let's see, there you go. And then just gonna name it test game pass, and then you click on upload. Once you create your very own game pass, you'll be also seeing the same pending review just like I do. And then if you want to customize it even further, how much bricks are you willing to ask from them, you just click on the three dots and then click on edit, and then name your game pass, your description, the tags, and then this is the important part: sell this item. Of course, this is also reflecting in Roblox, but you already know how it is. You just click on this the switch, sell this item, then place this bricks, price them, and then you put in your price. Now you can price it as low as 2, or you can price it as high as 9,998. But in our case, I'm just gonna put it 5 because this is like a valid price for me, and then I'll be receiving 4. Now, why is that? Simple, because if you are like a regular player, Polytoria will get like 15% out of your donation. So in my case, it's like 1 brick will be sent directly to Polytoria, and I'll be receiving 4. Now, this is going to be a little bit different if you have your subscriptions. There is like one subscription that will be getting 10% out of you. There's one for like there's like one for 5%, I'm not sure, but kindly check out with the subscriptions. So once you're done, just click on, if you want to update the image, just choose the file and then click on the image and click on save. Now once that's done, you'll be seeing here, you just need to wait until it finishes the review. If they have accepted creating your game passes, then you're good to go. And then from here on, you're going to play this game called Please Bricks, which means you are going to donate bricks instead of Robux. So I hope you understand this video. It's really short because it's that simple. So I hope that you can create your game passes so that people from Polytoria can donate yours depending on your needs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.